Whenever I previous.
Yeah, so that's the table. To the end. Right now,
Rizal, if you need time to talk to your client, we can pass you.
I'm sorry,
and come back to it. If you want to pass it for now and come
You have
back.
another case you can take real quick?
Yes, we do.
I would. I appreciate that very much, Your Honor. Thank
Okay,
you.
go ahead. Jane Retzler versus Commissioner of Motor Vehicles, 45 CO1 1305 MI 72.
Good afternoon, Your Honor.
Mr. Amadelis appears for Ms. Retzler and Mr. Padula for the Commissioner. Are we ready to proceed?
Yes, Your Honor.
Ma'am, you want to take the stand here? Raise your right hand when you get up there. You solemnly swear, affirm, tell the whole truth and nothing but the truth to the best of your knowledge, so help you God? Please be seated.
Jane, please state your full name.
Jane M. Rentschler,
Date of birth.
21080,
Read the last four digits of your source.
7006,
And your residency.
7070 Delaware Street, Maryville.
And that's in Lake County, Indiana.
Yes,
Your license was suspended due to an OWI arrest, correct?
correct.
That suspension took place approximately November 27th. Is that also correct?
Yes,
And the suspension in question was the result of your not having insurance or automobile insurance at the time.
correct.
And the reason you did not have automobile insurance at the time of that arrest?
I just didn't pay it.
Okay, so you overlooked it,
I did.
paying the premium. Okay, now you have two children,
Correct.
and you share custody with your ex-husband.
Joint custody, yes.
Joint custody. Now you also are employed. Where do you work?
Cracker Barrel,
Okay, where's that at?
Maryville,
Okay, and you also have a second job. Is that also correct?
correct.
Okay, and where is that at?
Valparaiso,
Okay. Now your children reside in Vermont or Indiana. Is that correct?
correct.
Primarily with their dad. Okay, and then you go there and visit them sometimes.
Yes,
All right.
I rent from a girlfriend there too. I also
Okay.
stay there.
Now, your license, having been suspended, has made it very difficult for you to maintain your employment. Is that correct?
Yes,
You live in Maryville with a co-employee at
Correct.
Cracker Barrel. Is that correct? And do you guys often work the same shifts?
no, she takes me.
She takes you. Okay. And this has been inconvenient, correct?
Yeah,
And very difficult to maintain your employment.
it is.
And you're asking the court, I think there's about 30 days left of that suspension, and
I
you're
believe
asking the
so.
court to allow you to have a probationary license for that remaining portion of your suspension in order that you travel to and from work, visitation with your children, and also your second job, which is in Valparaiso.
Correct.
And the times that you usually work are 6 a.m. to 9 p.m.?
Roughly, yeah.
That roughly, okay.
It
and that's
changes
Monday through Saturday?
Wednesday through Sunday. Yeah.
Okay. I have nothing for you.
Ma'am, I'm sorry, I just want to clarify. It looks like you had an operating while intoxicated charge, and then after that, a failure to file insurance. Is that correct? There are two separate
Yeah,
instances?
they reinstated my license, and then like exactly a month later, they came back and they suspended it again because in November of last year, I did not have car insurance.
Okay. Do you have car insurance now?
Yes.
And what company is that with?
American Freedom.
How long is that paid up for?
I do it every month, so
And have you been driving since you have that car insurance?
no. Other than that month, they gave it back to me.
I have no further questions, Your Honor.
Okay. And again, to reiterate, if I may, Your Honor, you do have insurance now?
Correct, yes.
This insurance is expired.
Pardon?
This is expired.
Okay, where's the...
No, it's not. My apologies.
That's fine, that's fine.
Like I just talked to them.
I have nothing further, Your Honor.
All right. Was your failure to pay insurance inadvertent?
No, I actually had just gotten my license plates like the month prior to that, so it just slipped my mind.
So was it inadvertent?
I'm sorry.
Listen to the question.
Yes, sorry.
It was?
Yes.
You didn't, just made a mistake?
Yeah.
All right, we'll grant the petition.
Thank you, Your Honor. And I do have an order, Your Honor. May I approach it?
Yes.
That's a petition.
Okay,
Thank you.
you're welcome. Let's see, Mr. Zell's all we got left. Get that, see where that lawyer went, Mr. Ezell, with it. Shouldn't care, when I got this one here, but this isn't license.
We got a few more, I think.
Yeah.
We got to get that last.
Let's give you the last one.
Petition.
What's that son's name?
Mr. Ezell.
Which one?
Dell?
Yeah, he's in here somewhere.
There wasn't part.
Trying to accomplish him.
Correct. Different petitions to add to mine. That's what I'm saying.
No, it's a good idea. It's a good idea. I'm not, no.
You Dell? Come on, we're ready. You guys here on field? Protective order? Yeah. All right. What's happening with you? Where you been?
Mr. Mullen's been taking care of it.
Yeah, I know. I asked him, he says they got you trapped downstairs.
Yeah, they don't let me leave. But he's moving up to felony this week, so
Yeah.
you'll see me a lot more.
That's too bad. He said he's showing up for work.
All right.
That's it.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Ready, Mr. Ezell?
Yes, we are, Your Honor.
All right.
I apologize. Are we on the record, Your Honor, on this call?
All right. Every client takes a stand. We're back here on the record in the matter of Mark Roberts versus Commissioner of Motor Vehicles, 45 Steel 1, 1305 MI 77. Mr. Roberts. Raise your right hand, be sworn, sir. Solemnly swear, affirm, tell the whole truth, nothing but the truth, best of your knowledge, so help you God.
Yes, I do.
Please be seated. All right.
Thank you, Your Honor. Your Honor, at this time, the prosecutors pointed out to me some issues regarding the petition that I was unaware of. I discussed with my client, we were unaware. They may have existed. We thought we had researched the record meticulously, but we find that there was an error. Or at least we may have made an error, and we don't see what we had alleged. And we're asking if we could have a 30-day continuance. I know the calendar is crowded and make over 30, but if we could have a short continuance in order to try and clarify the situation.
You can step down, sir. You can step down. Okay, we'll
If
get
the
30
prosecutor would
days.
agree, if the
What's
court
the
would
next
grant
30 days when I'm hearing hardships?
That'd be great, thank you.
You want the date?
Yeah, 30 days next.
Okay.
You have no objection there?
I have no objection.
Thank you.
Okay, regular PO. Should be closed.